In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color to a label in Gmail. Adding color to your labels is a simple way to keep your inbox organized and make important emails stand out at a glance. You can use different colors for work, personal messages, receipts, newsletters, or anything else you want to visually separate. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Gmail account. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed in. On the left side of the screen, you'll see your list of labels. If you don't see them all, you might need to click more to expand the full list. Find the label that you want to customize. You can choose any existing label here. Move your mouse over that label name. When you hover over it, a small icon with 3 vertical dots will appear to the right of the label. This is the options menu for that specific label. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This opens a small menu that lets you manage different settings for the label, such as editing its name, adding sublabels, and most importantly for us, changing its color. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Label Color. Click on Label Color. As soon as you do that, another panel will open showing a range of preset colors. You'll see a selection of solid colors and sometimes matching text colors that Gmail suggests for you. Now, simply choose the color you want to use for this label by clicking on it. As soon as you select a color, Gmail will automatically apply it to that label in the left sidebar and to any emails that have that label attached. You'll notice that the label now appears with a colored background or border, making it much easier to spot. If you change your mind later, you can repeat this process at any time. Hover over the label, click the 3 dots, choose Label Color, and pick a new color. You can also select the option to remove the color if you prefer to go back to the default look. And that's all you need to do to add color to a label in Gmail. With just a few clicks, you can visually organize your inbox and quickly find the messages that matter most.